Welcome back, guys, to Chucky's Hobbies. Doing another speed run for the Port Royal RC 2024 Speed Run Challenge with the MF01X. Decided to put the brushed motor in it today just to do an unofficial run, just to shake it down after the big crash yesterday. So I'm just running it on brushed just to see what's going on. I put a 15 turn double in it, and I'm running a shorty lipo, doesn't even stick out the other side. And a Novak Cyclone speed controller. So I'm going to do a shakedown run just to see how it runs, and then if it's running good, I'll throw back my regular brushless setup to be in the brushless class. So as you can see, it's tracking. So let's start. Track. Stop. Read. There's the 1 mile an hour. I'm just going to wait for these vehicles to leave, and then I'll be good to go. So start. So yeah, my car, I'll take the body off after the run, but there's the old Novak Cyclone speed controller. I used to use that for touring car racing back in, I believe it's 2004, 2005, when we used to run 27 turn brushed motors, which is pretty sweet back in the day. I'm just waiting for these vehicles to leave, and then we're going to do a run. Just got a pickup truck to wait for, and then I'm good to go. Okay guys, see what it did. There you go, 53 miles an hour. You're getting a little faster. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and let's go fast together.